So I got this fun little body camera, and it's got this cool IR feature. So there we go, lights on, go podcast studio, fun stuff here. Let's turn around. Oop, already turned down, back of light. Alright, so for context, look at this pitch black in here for me. Holy crap, is that good? I can't see a damn thing. It is 7:17. This is in my garage, clearly. Holy shit. That perception is obviously going to be off, but dude, for $50, this thing is dope. Wow. Hope I don't smack my foot on that. Let's see. Like, holy crap. Like, and the sun's just going down. It's so cool. It's like there's no light on that, like, that I can see visually. That's awesome. It's like freaking clear as day. Wow. So it's the IR light, I guess? I don't know. I don't know. See what happens when I turn the light on the garage. Wrong one. Bam. Should turn off. See? Look. And let's get a comparison. That's crazy.